Meet the Geepas Robot Vacuum Cleaner, your smarter cleaning sidekick. It vacuums and mops like a pro. Smart control for robotic vacuum. Advanced LDS sensor maps your home and plans smart, efficient cleaning routes. Dodges obstacles and gets every corner. With powerful vacuum suction, it picks up dirt and debris without missing a beat. With built-in mopping, it takes care of every mess with ease. Its drop detection and collision sensors prevent it from falling or bumping into anything. Once cleaning is complete, it auto-recharges and cleans completely on its own. Geepas Robot Vacuum Cleaner, smartest choice for cleaning.